Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today guys, we're currently back out here. Alright, hop straight into the back hatch of the Excursion here. And today we have some brand new subs to go ahead and install to my current KICKER Comp C box. So if you guys missed the previous video on these things, I'm just talking about how they're blown and throwing a couple sound clips and stuff like that. And in that video I was talking about how I went ahead and bought some KICKER CompRs here, 12-inch. So I bought these KICKER Comp C's about a year and a half ago, I'd say. And they've just recently been hitting really weird. And I haven't changed anything yet on like the amp or anything. I've changed placement. I've tried changing things on the amp to see if I can get them to sound any better. But no, they just still have a noise that I can only describe as sort of a rattle. So it kind of just came out of nowhere. I don't really remember changing anything too specific. And yeah, now they just kind of rattle. Kind of sounds like they're bottoming out the whole time, if you guys know what I mean. So I went ahead and picked up some KICKER CompRs here to replace my KICKER Comp C's. These are KICKER Comp C 12s, and I got some more KICKER CompR 12s. These ones here are 1000 watts peak and 500 watts RMS. These are single. Hold on, I don't know this 100%. I know these are 2 ohms and these are 4 ohms. I'm not sure which one has dual voice coil. I know. Okay, these have single voice coil, and this has dual voice coil. All right, yeah. So I had to remember that. I'll show you guys the box here. Nice designs on it and stuff like that. So I think this should be a pretty good upgrade. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the nuts there, if I can. I gotta figure out how to get those things out. I don't know what tool that would take. But I don't know, guys. I'm gonna work on getting these out, and then I'm gonna install these. I'll catch you guys with that. Alrighty guys, first sub is out. As you guys can see there, there's just one thing on each side. They put your power wire to. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on taking off this one. Then I'm gonna turn to this sub and that sub, and I'm gonna try to get one mounted over here, and then one mounted over here after get this one taken out. So catch you guys with that. Alrighty guys, now real quick, there's the Comp C compared to the CompR. Not a huge difference. Just look at that. Now one of the main differences is that this one here is a positive and negative on both sides. This one just has your I think this one was the negative, and then this one is just positive on your Comp C. So I gotta figure out with these 2 wires what to do with the CompR with 4 things. So catch you guys once I get this installed. Alright guys, so real quick, let me just show you guys what you're going to want to do with your CompR if you're switching from a Comp C to a CompR, or any sub that's a single voice coil compared to a dual voice coil here, or you're going to have positive and negative on both sides here. So it's really simple. Actually, just get yourself some speaker wire here. Go ahead and connect one side to the negative and one side to the positive here. And then when your box just has a simple negative and then a positive here, that's where you can just simply connect your positive right there to your positive, and then your negative to your negative. So it's really just that easy. I'm gonna go ahead and get this Comp C removed, get this one hooked up and installed, get the other one all wired up, and then that one installed, and then we can do a sound test. So catch you guys with that. Alrighty guys, currently unboxing my second CompR here. Went ahead and got my second Comp C out of the box. There's the first Comp C, there's the second one. There's my first CompR. It's a little size comparison. Here's my second CompR here. About ready to get this one out of the box, wire it up, get that one in the box, get this one in the box, and then put this back in this box, and this one back in that box there. Just keep them safe. So catch you guys once this one and this one are in this box, and then I'll catch you guys with a sound clip. Alright guys, got the comp C's in the new CompR boxes. Went ahead and wired up both of the CompRs. Went up there, fired them up. They bumped pretty good outside of the box. I'm excited to go ahead and bolt them up into the box there. I only grabbed a couple. Oh, this is some random thing. Oh no, I have them sitting in there, and I grabbed a handful out. I guess I grabbed out one of these. Yeah, I'm gonna put that back in there. But yeah guys, I'm excited to go ahead and throw these in the box here, get them all screwed in there, and see how they sound once they're inside the box, because they sound pretty good already. I'm pretty hyped. It's gonna sound really good too. Dual voice coil 2 KICKER CompRs. Catch you guys once they're inside the box. Alrighty guys, the dual 12-inch CompRs now installed in the Comp C box. Gotta say guys, the red looks a whole lot better than the previous yellow. I know it's still got yellow KICKER Comp C stitched into the top of it, but oh well guys, I mean, still, we got CompRs in the box, and they're gonna sound a whole lot better. And I already know they sound a whole lot better because when I played them, when I played just a second, just a song, turned them up to like volume 4 for a second. I mean, they were thumping just for even a second when these weren't even in the box yet. They were just sitting here, but I just wired them up. I just need to make sure they worked, and so I didn't mess anything up with the wiring job. So yeah guys, they're in the box now. I'm just gonna move them back to the normal spot, and then I guess I'll get a sound clip for you guys tomorrow since it's getting dark, so I don't want to wake up the neighbors too bad. Also, I don't have another phone on me that I can get an actual sound clip, like recording or playing. I can record off this phone and play the music off a different phone. I don't have a different phone right now. I need to get that tomorrow. This is just like one of my parents' phones or something, so I can pull up a bass test on the stereo and make the subs thump. But I also got to break them in a little bit, so I can't just let them. I got to go easy on them, you know. Can't just let them thump super hard right off the bat. So don't want to blow them. Yeah guys, catch you guys tomorrow once I get a bass test ready for this thing. Yeah, for right now they're installed, and hope you guys enjoyed the installation. Alrighty guys, so I'm actually not going to put in a sound clip for today's video to finish it off. I'll do a separate video actually for sound test, sound clip. Now the reason why is because they actually sound really bad. Now, not the subs themselves. However guys, I've just diagnosed a bad box. Alright, so my KICKER Comp C's were not blown. My CompRs are brand new, they're not blown. Obviously they sound really good. The Comp C's had a really bad rattle, so I had thought, because they just rattled really bad when I turned them up. KICKER CompRs rattled really bad as soon as I turned them up, and then I did some research. Turns out it's a bad box. Turns out that there's an air leak somewhere in the box, so I need to figure out where that's at, and then put some more screws in the box, sealing it up, getting rid of that air leak and the box rattle. You know, I probably should have probably should have guessed that at first, but I don't know. I've had those CompR or Comp C's for over a year, and you know, I just figured, because I pushed them hard like every day, that maybe the rattle was them being blown. But no, the Comp C's are just fine. They're not blown. The CompRs obviously aren't blown. I just put them in, they're brand new, but they rattle really bad. So I've just figured out that it's actually just my box. So my box has really bad rattle to it because it has a bad air leak. So I'll show you guys how to diagnose a bad box in the next video, and as well how to fix it, because it sounds really bad. So with that, thanks for watching. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new and you haven't already. And with that one, thanks for watching. And with that, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.